Yes. Good evening, students of class 9. We are doing page number 60. So, what is our system of election? We are going to discuss about that point 4.2. So, first of all, we should know about general election. You will know in this about general election and by election. What is difference between general election and by election? Look here, read from here. Elections are held in India. Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha elections are held regularly after every 5 years. You know that in Bihar, elections will be held. You will see that. And after 5 years, the term of a government is 5 years. Lok Sabha or Vidhan Sabha. So elections are held regularly after 5 years. After 5 years, the term of all the elected representatives come to an end. You see that in Bihar, the term of representatives has come to an end. समाप्त होने जा रहा है. So there will be election after 5 years. The Lok Sabha और Vidhan Sabha stand dissolved. भंग कर दिया जाता है. So you will see, you will watch how the Vidhan Sabha will be dissolved. Elections are held in all constituencies at the same time, either on the same day or within a few days. This is called a general election. Question is, what is general election? You have to write that elections are held in all constituencies at the same day, either on the same day or within a few days. Because India is a vast country, so in some places there are elections on same date, but another places after few days later. So this election is called general election. Sometimes election is held only for one constituency. Suppose a candidate dies or resigns or weak. For that post, that election is held, that is called by-election, by-election. And look here, sometimes election is held only for one constituency to fill the vacancy caused by death or resignation, of a member. Why the seat is vacant? Because vacancy खाली क्यों रहता है? Why the death? कोई मर गया कैंडिडेट और रिजाइनेशन ऑफ ए मेंबर, कोई रिजाइन कर दिया. दिस इज कॉल्ड बाई इलेक्शन. सो यू विल रिमेंबर what is difference between by-election and general election. When the elections of assembly or Lok Sabha are held in the same day or few days, that is for all seats, that is called general election, and for after resignation of a candidate or death of a candidate, this is called by-election. Mid-term election, another thing here not mentioned, that sometimes the government cannot show its majority in Lok Sabha or Vidhan Sabha. That time government has to resign, that, and there will be another election for whole term, that is called mid-term election. So three things: general election, by-election and mid-term election. You will remember. Here you see page number 60. The country is divided into how election is. The question is, what is our system of election? कैसे होता है? So look, the country is divided into different areas for purposes of election. उसको छोटे छोटे टुकड़े में बांट दिया जाता है. These areas are called electoral constituency. question is which areas are called electoral constituencies? Then you have to answer the country is divided into different areas. Why? For purposes of election. And these areas are called electoral constituency. The voters who live in an area elect one representatives. For Lok Sabha elections, the country is divided into 543 constituencies. For Lok Sabha election, the representative elected from each constituency is called a member of parliament. Who is called MP? Means member of parliament. They will go elected for member of parliament, especially for one of the features of democracy.